I bet you didn't know how rattlesnakes make their famous rattling sound. Let's dive into the mystery. All right, snake fans, picture this. A rattlesnake's rattle is like a maraca, but way cooler. The rattle is made up of segments called keratin, just like our hair and nails. As the snake grows, new segments are added. Here's the fun part. When a rattlesnake shakes its tail, these segments knock against each other, creating that eerie buzzing sound. It's like a built-in percussion instrument. And guess what? The faster they shake, the louder it gets. But why do they rattle, you ask? It's their way of saying, hey, back off, a natural warning system to keep predators at bay. So next time you hear that rattle, remember, it's not just a sound. It's an amazing piece of nature's engineering. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button if you learned something new about our rattling friends. See you next time.